teachers can choose to run whole class reports on students' submitted work. Select the Reports icon from the dashboard. Click in the Report field to select the type of report to run. The options may vary depending on the resource. Select the class to report on. Click Generate. A class quiz report will show the results achieved by students in all pre-tests, progress, and review quizzes for a maths resource and the end-of-section quiz questions for all resources. The colour key on the right indicates what each colour represents. Some resources will only have end-of-section quiz data, which will look like this. To run a report on the exercises or section questions submitted by students, select the Class Exercise Report or Class Section Report. Select the class to report on. Select the course and chapter required. Click Generate. The percentage of exercise questions completed will be shown and the date the student completed the activities. If students have used the self-assessment tools, a pie chart will show their confidence rating for each group of questions. This field also shows the number of red flags they have raised against questions they found difficult. In both of these class reports, teachers can drill down to individual student details by clicking on either a student name or a results box. All of these reports can be downloaded as PDF or Excel documents.